Zenith Education Society, redefining excellence.
Everyone, today we will be presenting our Python micro project under the guidance of Priyanka Khalate ma'am. The title for our Python project is Remove the intersection of second set from the first set using Python programming. The program members are Aditya Pawar, myself, and my colleague Pratik Khopde. Before moving on to the actual program, we need to first understand what are sets. Set is a data structure in Python programming which can be used to store similar values. A set is a collection with both unordered and unindexed. Sets are written with curly brackets which are similar to the another Python data structure, that is dictionary. Here are some set methods through which we can execute our program. The first one is the intersection function. The intersection method returns a set that contains the similarity between two or more sets. It is similar to the mathematical operation that is also known as intersection. The union function. The union function basically is used to combine two sets into one. Is not to be a set, it can be any iteratable object. That means it can add or combine any iteratable object. If an item is present in more than one set, the result will contain only one appearance of this item. As discussed later, set cannot contain duplicate values. It can be used to store similar values only. Algorithm. First of all, we will start our text editor or idle IDE. In that, we will create two sets with random values. Add the second set into the first one using the union function. The output of the union function, we will be displaying it using the print function. Then we will perform an intersection operation. Then we will see our final output and end the program. So here is the program. As you can see, I have created two sets with named A and B. First of all, I am combining B set with the A and printing the A set. Then I am performing intersection operation on the A set again with the B set, and I am finally printing my A set to see the intersection operation. Here is my output. As you can see, first of all the A set has been printed, and after that the intersection operations output can be seen in the A set.
Zenith Education Society, redefining excellence.